In today's video, I'm going to show you how to select connected geometry in Blender fast, so you can quickly grab an entire mesh island, connected edges, vertices, or faces without wasting time clicking each piece one by one. This is one of those simple Blender shortcuts that can seriously speed up your workflow, especially when you're editing complex models, cleaning up meshes, or isolating specific parts of an object. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Blender tips and quick tutorials. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, make sure you're in edit mode. You can do that by selecting your object and pressing tab, or by choosing edit mode from the mode menu at the top of the viewport. Once you're in edit mode, move your mouse over the vertex, edge, or face you want to start from. This is important because Blender uses your cursor position to determine which connected section you want to select. Now, press L on your keyboard. That activates Select Linked, and Blender will instantly select all geometry that's connected to the element under your mouse. So if you hover over one part of a mesh island and press L, Blender will select every connected vertex, edge, and face in that isolated section. This is extremely useful when you're working with separate parts that are all within the same object, because it lets you isolate them in seconds. If you want another way to do the same thing, you can use Ctrl L. That also selects links to geometry, and in many cases it behaves the same way depending on what you've got selected and where your mouse is. You can also find the command manually by going up to the Select menu, then choosing Linked. That's helpful if you prefer using menus instead of shortcuts, or if you're still learning Blender and want to see where the tool lives. One thing to keep in mind is that this only works on connected geometry. So if your object has multiple separate mesh islands, pressing L will only select the island your cursor is pointing at. That makes it perfect for quick selection of a specific part of a model, like a handle, a limb, a panel, or any other disconnected section. It's especially handy when you want to edit one portion of a mesh without affecting the rest of it. Here's a useful pro tip. If you want to deselect linked geometry instead, use Shift+L. That gives you a fast way to remove a connected section from your current selection. Another great workflow trick is to combine Select Linked with Hide, which is H on your keyboard. Select the part you want, hide the rest, and then focus only on the area you're editing. That can make complicated modeling tasks much easier and much cleaner. So to quickly recap, go into edit mode, hover over the geometry you want, and press L to select all connected geometry instantly. If you want the menu route, use Select and then Linked. And if you need to refine your selection even faster, use Shift+L and combine it with Hide for better isolation. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick Blender tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.